was staying ahead of it, but now it's kind of starting to cut across our path there.
Yeah.
I am
This
not.
is all on him. No, you're going the wrong way.
Oh shit! They're doing the same thing I am, running north as fast as they can go. Yeah, they're very close. Well, I can't see them, but I know they're close by just how they sound on the radio. I can tell. Jesus, fuck, that thing is. All right, I'm not going to be able to outrun this thing. It's close. Oh, fuck. I can't make Brookings, I don't think. It's like totally been catching up to me. It was small, you know, and dwelling. Yeah. No, I already passed it. Remember, you're delayed. Oh, fuck. Well, I think the only thing I can do is just go as quick as I fucking can. Well, and that's gonna slow me down too. Getting into town. Oh, this guy's broke down right in the path of this shit. Yeah, this is not good. Shit, everybody's hauling ass, and now we're going down to fucking road construction. Jesus Christ. You're gonna have to get over, dude. I know you're trying to do the same thing I am. Alright. Yeah. How far from that turn am I? Yeah, the problem is there's a construction zone and everything's got slowed way the hell down. And I'm... Jesus. Everybody is just trying to haul out, and I don't blame them. But one dude backs everybody up because we're a single lane now. I don't know if I'm getting it or not, but filming, I'm not looking. I am going as quick as I fucking can. That's all I can do. And it is within a half mile of me. Catching up fast. I don't see the tornado, but man, I see the ugliest cloud. This guy's going south, man. They're headed right into the blackest. Oh hell no, I'm not. I'm going as quick as I can north. Yeah, I'm going north. I'm going north as fast as I can. East is secondary roads and shit. I don't know what they're like. I don't know if they have low grade, low clearance stuff. I don't know any of those things that I have to be concerned about. One reason to be able to turn my fucking truck up. If I could do 80, I could probably stay ahead of it. All these cars are doing exactly that. Yeah, the speed limit. Well, some of these guys are doing a lot faster than that. But yeah, I'm first raindrops. Oh shit! It's like right in front of me. Okay, I don't have a choice. I gotta fucking get off. I gotta get off. No choice at this point. Yeah, it's straight up caught me.
You guys here, the lead, I'm pulling over here in the station north. I'm not even
just getting it right now.
Oh, shit, that threw my heart. I was going outside when that hit. I'm just thinking,
Just in the dirt, and it's coming in.
Yeah, that front side there is a tornado down by Baltic.
Alright. I'm probably best right now where I'm at. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was fucking sketchy. Right now I'm just trying to keep this thing flipping over.
I hope I can stay on the ground here.
God damn.
1 mile ahead, stay on US
Okay.
14 bypass west is in
Oh
left.
shit. Come on, truck. I'm gonna try and nose it into the wind here. And if I do, I might be
2
okay.
miles ahead, turn left on 32nd Avenue.
Oh, the pallets, I hope I can stop the pallets.